Hey, my name is Mike Capo. I'm a land-based education, culture, and language teacher for NDKMS here in Sapotaweyak. Now, these games were meant to showcase our own culture, the way that we do things here in Sapotaweyak, because our land is different from everybody else's, and we have lots of fun. We do things differently. We try and make the best out of things that we have, and one of the biggest things that we're trying to teach the kids here is always be prepared for anything. And they see how we're running around here like crazy, chopping trees, getting the stuff, making sure everything is here. And some of the difficulties we have getting somewhere on the land, because some of our land is not the greatest road. So we're just trying to make sure that they understand that, you know, when we go out to do duck hunting, fishing, trapping, something, we have to do a lot of work. So. You know, we're hoping that they go back and see that, you know, the bush is a lot of work. It's a lot of fun to be out, but, you know, having that respect for the land, when we're cutting down trees, when we're taking animals, when we're doing whatever we need, that respect is always there. That as land guardians and land people, we always have to try and balance things out. So I hope that the kids are getting it. I hope that they're having a lot of fun. I hope that they see the beauty out here in the bush and, you know, the medicine, the healing out here. And I'm hoping that the kids take that home in a good way. So that's the hope for it. Okay? Now I'm going to go try this. I haven't done this, and I think the last time I actually did this kind of fishing 20 years ago.
We're coming to you live at Sapotaweyak Cree Nation. Hey, I got a lot of good songs here.